Alright, so what's up, man? So listen, man, this whole you already know what it is with this shit here. All my life, I swear, I was taught to open it like this. You know, like that. Hand hurt, everything. Then I look online and I see you open it like this. Bruh. That shit here, boy. Let's see. We gonna find out today, goddammit. I know this a motherfucking lie. I just know this a lie. All this motherfucking time. And you know what's even crazy? All this motherfucking time, bro. You see this shit? My hand been hurting. My dad is a chef. And he ain't even tell me no shit like this. All this time, this how you open this shit? Whoever made can openers need to be slapped in their goddamn mouth. Whoever made can openers really need to be slapped in their mouth for not telling us this shit for all these years. I've been living for 28 years. And I'm just not finding this out. 2 days ago. Come on, man. We gotta do better as people, man. Bro. We gotta do better as people, man. Barack, you ain't know this shit, Barack? Ah, man. All this time, bro. This was like 2 seconds right here. All this time, bro. I'm hurt. I'm hurt by this right here. I'm gonna cuss my motherfucking daddy out all this time. Nigga, you a chef.